my TM pressure washer, whatever that is, it's basically a Predator motor. So whatever factory makes Predator, they slapped a my TM sticker on it. This is a Neighbor's pressure washer. It's about 2600 psi, 2.2 gallons, almost brand new. The oil is perfect. The gas apparently has been in there since last spring, and it's currently spring, so at least a year. Filters that foam stuff. That does need to have a little oil in there. We'll add that later. This is run. That's choke with a nice handle. Sometimes I like to make sure it's on, and it is, so we're at least past that point. This is going to be a quick video. I'm 99% sure it's going to be the carburetor. But a lot of people buy Predators, and this is a Predator just with a different lighting on it. So let's see what we have. 10mm, like the Honda is. We're going to clamp off the fuel line with a little more pressure than that. There we go. Even the fuel line's kind of small. Well, this one we have to take off this little plate. Okay. Don't want to mess up any of the linkages. It looks like if we lose it, it's on the hole closest to the throttle. In fact, let's just lose that. Might be a pain to get back on. Let's just... Oh man. No, we're going to take it off. There's only one hole in the actual throttle arm. This is a tension spring for the throttle. There we go. So this should just lift up off the choke. I'll set that off to the side. Oh, yes, finally it doesn't have those Honda clips. Yet again, ruined by the mowers. This is a Sunday afternoon after a week long of rain, so you're probably going to hear a lot of engines in the background. This clip was made on a Friday. Let's just leave that back. Let's take the fuel line off. There we go. Alright, somewhere. I thought there'd be a lot more in that. This is just like the Honda. You put this when it's not all the way off, pull up on the throttle or the linkage. This spring is to eliminate the kind of shakiness. Move everything off to the side. We're going to put this down. I want to look at the fuel that's in there. Fuel should be almost clear. Unless it's some type of weird agricultural fuel. And it's also filled to the very, very top. It's not horrible. I mean, it will run on it. I mean, it smells like gas. It's probably just ethanol fuel, though. There might be a good possibility that condensation had collected on the bottom of the carb and we are just experiencing water issues. So let me go ahead and put this right there because this is going to drip for a while and get this carb started. I'll be in there. Okay, so I poured a little bit out. That's what's in there. Still 10 millimeter. Hold on to it tight. There's no jet in this one. Okay. Business always calls. We don't want to pull on that too much. It's gooey. The jet in there has been seen better days. This is a screwdriver. It looks dirty, but it's not. Oh man. There we go. You want to be very careful you don't strip the brass on these. I've said that before, but I also just can't quite emphasize that enough. After a while, the threads for the bolt are thicker or wider than the jet, so you can't take it out. You have to let it fall out. Okay, so this is probably the problem right here. Let me look through it. Yep, it was plugged. Let me go ahead and just blow this out when I'm again clean it and put it back together. I'll be right back. So we're out here, water's connected. Put on choke, which it is, on, perfect. Water's already been purged. Well, it runs, but we have to check something on the switch. Let me go ahead and do that. I'll be right back. Number 2, the switch is on, plug is on. I'm not going to put choke on, see what happens. Works a lot better when the ground is connected. Okay, well, everything should be good to go. Return this back to the owner. Definitely keep on watching, subscribing, and I'll see everyone later. Bye.